The Plano Police Department will no longer arrest people for possessing 2 ounces of marijuana or less. Instead, they may or may not issue a Class C ticket. Where do other police departments stand? Good morning and welcome to BS News Desk. I'm Anna Summersett, and here's a look at legal news making headlines for April 5th, 2021. Last week, Plano Police Chief Ed Drain announced that his officers will no longer arrest people for possessing 2 ounces of marijuana or less, which is normally a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to 180 days in jail. Instead, officers may, at their discretion, issue a ticket for drug possession of drug paraphernalia, and that's a reduced charge, punishable by up to a $500 fine and paid in municipal court. The department changed its policy after a review of costs and trends stemming from marijuana arrests. The chief said the review showed racial disparity. Specifically, more African Americans are arrested for minor amounts of marijuana, even though surveys show that white, Black, and Hispanics use marijuana at a similar rate. The chief also said it's not cost-effective to arrest people for low-level amounts of weed. Now that hemp is legal in Texas, police must pay to have the marijuana tested to determine its THC content before cases are acceptable for prosecution. So where do other North Texas cities stand on low-level marijuana arrests? Under Texas law, police departments can implement a cite and release policy for possession of marijuana under 4 ounces. Dallas police already follow a cite and release policy, and late last year, Fort Worth police announced they are no longer arresting or citing people for low amounts of pot. Decriminalizing marijuana is a growing trend in the Lone Star State. More than 50 marijuana-related bills have been filed so far this year in the Texas legislature, covering a wide range of issues from decreased penalties to outright legalization. We'll keep an eye on them and to see which ones gain traction. Thanks again for joining us today on BS News Desk, the place you turn to for the latest legal news. For more information, be sure to read the BS News Desk blog on our website, versusTexas.com. I'm Anna Summersett, and thanks for watching.